India is a federation. A federation is a system of government with two levels that share governing responsibility. There is a single national authority and several state or regional authorities. In this chapter, we will study the following topics.
Role of the government in health. After independence, India became one of the pioneers in providing medical facilities to all and sundry with focus on primary health care. Considerable expansion and diversification took place in different services relating to health, family welfare and nutrition. Today, we possess a very large and widespread network of governmental, voluntary and private health infrastructure managed by an equally large number of medical and paramedical personnel. Medical care system. The government has established a three-tier medical care system: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary healthcare infrastructure provides a direct link between people and medical facilities at the grassroots level like villages and towns. Primary health centers or PHCs deal with most of the basic medical needs of the populace, give integrated promotive, preventive, curative and rehabilitative medical services to people close to their homes and act as instruments for implementing all government programs relating to health and family welfare. Community health centers, although having services of certain specialists at their disposal, also form a part of primary level. Cases found too complicated by PHCs are first referred to CHCs. District hospitals form secondary healthcare centers. Hospitals and institutions meant for particular diseases and specialized fields only constitutes tertiary level of health infrastructure. Healthcare in India. The following table gives brief information about the situation of healthcare in India. What can be done? In modern times, the importance of health is being fully realized by every country and it rests with the government. In India, however, there is marked non-availability of and access to healthcare facilities in different parts of the country. The central government has launched several health programs aided by state governments. In this regard, the Kerala government took some major initiatives in 1996. For this, the state government allotted 40% of the entire state budget to the local bodies or panchayats. Special emphasis was given to water, food, women's development and education. In addition, with the help of local bodies, various problems were checked out thoroughly. For example, sanitation, water contamination, the working of schools and anganwadis and health centers. All these measures helped greatly to improve the situation.